I have to go now. I have to go now. Be right back. Be right back. Who do I give? Who do I give? You are so clingy. You are so clingy. Keep it forever. Keep it forever. Don't refuse now. Don't refuse now. Sweeten your mouth. Sweeten your mouth. Should we begin? Should we begin? Quicken your steps. Quicken your steps. I was out all day. I was out all day. Why is that? Why is that? Mind your step. Mind your step. No any longer. No any longer. Don't tease me. Don't tease me. It's too tough. It's too tough. Don't speak over. Don't speak over. Just keep watching. Just keep watching. Don't mention that. Don't mention that. Give it to her. Give it to her. Sit on my lap. Sit on my lap. Take your seat. Take your seat. Keep it open. Keep it open. Sit up. Sit up. Do it quick. Do it quick. Consider it done. Consider it done. Pack your bags. Pack your bags. He advised wisely. He advised wisely. Read my lips. Read my lips. Keep yourself cool. Keep yourself cool. Matter is pending. Matter is pending. Don't backbite him. Don't backbite him. Who all know? Who all know? Pull yourself together. Pull yourself together. According to her. According to her. You know what? You know what? Not at all. Not at all. Don't sit idle. Don't sit idle. Whose is this? Whose is this? What's your quality? What's your quality? Have another one. Have another one. Don't hurt anyone. Don't hurt anyone. Don't talk nonsense. Don't talk nonsense. Don't do it. Don't do it. Stop watching cartoon. Stop watching cartoon. Don't go there. Don't go there. Any concern to you? Any concern to you? Wipe your tears. Wipe your tears. It is a blunder. It is a blunder. Food was stale. Food was stale. I am famished. I am famished. I am full. I am full. We are trapped. We are trapped. He almost spoke. He almost spoke. Let's get started. Let's get started. Enjoy your food. Enjoy your food. At the earliest. At the earliest. He lacks wisdom. He lacks wisdom. Yes, go on. Yes, go on. He looks rustic. He looks rustic. May I ask you why? May I ask you why? Who will cook the food? Who will cook the food? When does it start? When does it start? Why did you ask? Why did you ask? Who is that girl? Who is that girl? Something or the other. Something or the other. Don't dare to cry. Don't dare to cry. What do I do? What do I do? Something of that sort. Something of that sort. Whose is this? Whose is this?